In today's video, I'll show you how to block out time on Calendly. First, open your browser and go to the official Calendly website, then make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, go to the Availability tab. On the Availability page, click on Plus Hours. A small window will pop up where you can choose the specific date or dates you want to block out. Simply click the dates you want to modify. Below that, you'll see the time slot showing when you're available on those selected dates. If you still want to keep some available hours, you can adjust the start and end times. But if you want to block the entire day, just click the X icon to remove all availability for that date. Once you're done, click Apply and your changes will be saved. You can also adjust your default weekly hours on the same page. Just click the X to remove specific days or edit the start and end times to match your usual schedule. And don't forget to double check your time zone in your account settings, especially if you're traveling, since all your availability and date-specific changes will follow that time zone. And that's it. That's how you block out time on Calendly. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.